Alright, imagine this. Venom wakes up in the middle of Squid Game. He has no idea how he got there, but all he sees are people in green tracksuits, terrified, and those creepy masked guards staring at him. The first game? Red light, green light. While everyone else is panicking, Venom doesn't even need to run. He just swings across the field in seconds. And when the doll turns her head, well, even if she catches him moving, does it really matter? Bullets won't stop him. If anything, he might just eat the doll for fun. Then comes the honeycomb game. Players are carefully carving their shapes, licking the candy to avoid cracks. Venom? He just bites the whole thing, spits out the perfect shape, and walks away like it's nothing. Easy win. Now, tug of war? This is where things get hilarious. Venom doesn't even need teammates. He just wraps his tendrils around the rope, yanks once, and boom! The other team goes flying. Guards are probably too scared to even react at this point. But then we get to marbles. And here's the thing. Venom doesn't know how to play. He's staring at the marbles like, what is this nonsense? If his opponent wins, maybe Venom just eats him instead and claims victory by default. Finally, the Squid Game itself. But let's be real. By now, Venom isn't playing anymore. He's staring through the guards, smashing the walls and escaping. He doesn't care about prize money. He doesn't need it. He just wants chaos. So in the end, Venom wouldn't just win Squid Game. He'd completely break it. The front man, probably running for his life. The VIPs, never coming back. And the guards? Well, let's just say there'd be a lot fewer of them. What do you think? Would Venom dominate the game? Or would the Squid Game creators find a way to stop him? Let me know.